Okay, we are back again. So yeah, this is where I'll be for the next 5 weeks. It's an absolutely magnificent day today. There's a beautiful breeze blowing. You can see the water's kind of a bit choppy. I believe that there might be a typhoon out there somewhere, which is affecting the weather. I know down in the south of Vietnam, down in Ho Chi Minh City, they had major rain over the last couple of days. So I think maybe we're getting some of that weather here, although it's not raining, it's a beautiful sunny day. But there's a real breeze blowing, and it's a nice cool breeze too, so it's lovely. Now you could conceivably walk all the way to Da Nang from here on this beach. Probably take 2 hours, but it is possible to do that, to walk all the way to the other city. This beach goes all the way along. It's just beautiful. So yeah, you can actually see, it's called the little mountain over there. I don't know if you can see it, but it's called Marble Mountain there. Da Nang is right here. And then this is Monkey Mountain, the Son Tra Peninsula. And that's where the Lady Buddha is, over there. Off in the distance there, a long way away. You can't see it, but I bet you can on a clearer day. It's a lovely beach. Apparently I can walk down here and then cut across to my Airbnb. So I checked in early afternoon, probably at about 12:30 today, and the people there are lovely. It's a husband and wife. They have 4 rooms and they live there too. It's a kind of smallish room, smaller than the room that I just had in Da Nang, but that's okay. It's spotlessly clean, very modern. Got all the amenities. They give you fresh water and fresh fruit every morning. And as I said, a bicycle that you can use, so that's nice. But I am going to rent a motorbike at some point. I've already spoken to the Airbnb host about that, and she can arrange one for me. But I don't think I need one for the whole month. I may just get one for a couple of weeks. So maybe for the first week I'll just go around on the bicycle, and then next week I'll rent a motorbike and go exploring a bit further afield. Here's the Vietnamese fishing boats. These very iconic circular boats which they use for fishing. Somebody told me that the reason that they are circular, I don't know if this is true, but the reason that they're circular is hundreds of years ago it was a way of avoiding paying taxes because of the shape. So because it's not an elongated shape, somehow that reduces or eliminates them having to pay tax on these boats. I don't think that's the case now, but that's the reason that they started out being round this way. It was basically just to save money from having to be paid to the government. I'm sure that's not the case now, but that's supposedly why they are circular like that. As you can see, there's a lot of development going on here. It's like a massive resort being built right here. Yeah, it's a lovely beach, lovely and clean. This will be a nice place to come early in the morning for a morning walk. Of course, I was in Hoi An last year for about 5 days, but I was staying closer to the downtown area, which is the famous old town, which is it's a heritage site. It's where all the lanterns are, and it's famous for its tailors, its clothes making industry. So it's a really, really lovely place. It gets very touristy though. A lot of people go there. It's like one of the places that everybody visits when they come to Vietnam. But out here, outside the city, on the beach, it's much more peaceful and quieter, and not quite as busy with tourists. So that's why I deliberately chose to stay out here. I just wanted to see what a kind of rural life was like in Vietnam, or semi-rural. Just a different vibe to what I was used to in Da Nang, which is a pretty big city actually, and there's a lot going on there, and I've really loved it, but I wanted a kind of a quieter environment for the next 5 weeks. This looks like a resort right here. Able to cut across here and walk back towards my Airbnb. I'm definitely going to be coming out here tomorrow though, spending the day at the beach. Yeah, this looks like a nice resort. A lot of these places you can use their pool for the day. You just give them a little bit of money, or you just eat your lunch there, and you can use the pool. I'm sure this place has a pool. I don't see one yet though. Oh yeah, there's the pool. Oh, very nice. I may check that out at some point. Palm Spa, it's called. My Airbnb is just back here somewhere. It's only about a 5-hour ride. Sorry, a 5-minute ride on a motorbike, on a bicycle, on a push bike, to get to where I need to go in the morning, to that place for breakfast.